Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing components and cutting the cardboard to fit your camera. Measure and cut a rectangular hood to block stray light. This improves contrast. Next, build a small holder for an IR LED and battery. Use a resistor sized to the LED to prevent burnout. Once done, paint the inside matte black so reflections are minimized. You do this now because controlling light and secure mounting are essential to convert a basic camera into a usable night vision rig. Now focus on positioning. Place the IR emitter just off-axis from the camera lens to avoid glare. This spreads illumination evenly. If you have a small magnifier or spare lens, install it to concentrate the IR beam and increase range. Make electrical connections tidy. Solder the resistor in series, add a switch, and insulate exposed joints. Make sure to secure the battery and wiring to the cardboard so nothing shifts during use. Stable geometry preserves your field of view and image clarity. Finish by mounting your camera in the hood and testing in a dark room. You will see a purple or monochrome view. Adjust camera exposure or gain to balance noise versus brightness, and tweak LED aim or add a diffuser to smooth hotspots. If you get flare, add internal baffles or decrease LED current. Conversely, add more LEDs for range. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image is too noisy, lower gain and lengthen exposure time rather than increasing raw brightness from the LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.